The first light of dawn. The stars are shining brightly. The dawn of innovation. Stories intertwine dreams and reality. XT Laser, in the name of light, writing the legend. On the canvas of time, we depict the trajectory of innovation. XT Laser achieves greatness. Technology triggers change. XT Laser originates from the accumulation, going through the years and working with the world. They come from all over the world to write a new legend of their career with a sincere heart. From a belief to a modern intelligent park, XT Laser occupies a leading position in the industry with exquisite technology, committed to providing intelligent laser automation solutions, leading the laser industry towards higher, faster, and broader fields of development, gradually growing to be an international brand with core competitiveness. As an enabler of the laser industry, with hundreds of patents as our engraved footprints, move forward step by step with the vision of innovation and build industry role model. At this moment, the light will have a starting point. Shining in the light of wisdom, reconstructing the dream of industry and development will make manufacturing smarter and more efficient. Construct a one-stop service system covering the whole life cycle. We show the composure of intelligent laser automation solution manufacturing with innovative power. In the midst of every assembly process, craftsmanship and wisdom coexist. Behind the solid production capacity, quality and perseverance coexist. The integration of AI technology leads the intelligent transformation of the industry, seeks product systems, building a new industrial ecology, reconstruct the intelligent production capacity, open the digital empowerment renovation, with comprehensive and accurate management of manufacturing process, realize the era of new quality productivity. In the field of laser cutting, laser cleaning, laser welding, etc., we dedicate to the realization of intelligent automation and automation of the production process, and then promote the manufacturing industry to more high-end, intelligent, green dedication, building bridges to the world's future with wisdom and insight. With wisdom solutions that we are the candles of the future. At this moment, light has a direction. The light that flows in the heart is shown by our smile and the praise. We are all together in a better world. Together with our global partners, XT Laser is playing an important role in the fields of transportation, communication, construction, medical treatment. We explore the application of laser technology in new energy, aerospace, and other emerging fields, and assist the transformation and upgrading of the global manufacturing industry. With wisdom to provide the world with high-quality laser automation solutions. Starting from a trust, forming a global marketing network. The glory of quality is written in the step-by-step transcendence over the years. At this moment, light has a temperature. Reaching the light of the future is building an era with a dream. global development strategy for international innovation to catalyze these new possibilities. With the leading concept of product development and quality control, combine the company's new engine of development. Joint creation and consensus are opportunities, connecting the dream of creation. This is the moment when light takes shape. Driven by innovation, with quality as life, with service as the link. Give back to the world with achievements, illuminating reality with sincerity. At this moment, light inspires a broader imagination. XT Laser for Future.